Have you heard about Bitcoin? And if you did, do you know what Bitcoin is? Hi, I'm Bubble. I'll guide you through the Bitcoin Tech Tales series, where we'll explain Bitcoin. It is challenging to explain Bitcoin because it stands for many different things. It is a new currency, a payment system, a new, innovative technology, and the revolution of how we store and transfer values. We use the word Bitcoin for the currency's name. It has the word coin in its name, but there is no coin to grasp because Bitcoin exists only on the internet. It has 100 million subunits called Satoshis. But the most significant difference between Bitcoin and the national currencies, such as the dollar or euro, is that Bitcoin limits the total amount of its currency to 21 million, and thus makes it very scarce. Whereas politics determine nations' currency and therefore can print money in vast amounts, has Bitcoin on the other hand, extremely strict and predictive issuance and total amount limit. The free, open-source Bitcoin software defines this and many other features and operating rules. When a computer runs the Bitcoin software, it becomes a Bitcoin node. The Bitcoin node strictly executes and monitors the execution of the Bitcoin software. The Bitcoin node connects over the internet with a few other Bitcoin nodes. They form a worldwide network of independent nodes without any central authority, called the Bitcoin network. Because software has no visual representation, we created a 3D Bitcoin world to make it easier for you to understand what is going on in the Bitcoin node. The Bitcoin nodes perform, among others, the three most important tasks. Firstly, they execute and supervise the creation of Bitcoin currency. Secondly, they ensure safe Bitcoin payments, also called transactions, through cryptography and strict verification. And thirdly, they secure the storage of Bitcoin's ownership history in a unique database, firstly introduced in Bitcoin. This database consists of connected blocks, and we call it the blockchain. Bitcoin nodes share the last version of the blockchain simultaneously. Therefore, thousands of nodes worldwide independently ensure the integrity of the blockchain, and thus make it secure. These features make Bitcoin the first ever open, public, neutral, censorship-resistant, and borderless currency anyone can use regardless of their nation, race, age, or gender. Bitcoin has no owner, but everybody can own a portion of it. In the past, inventions and technological developments have disrupted established business models. To count a few, candles, horses, letters, and newspapers were all replaced by innovative technologies. And now, money and value, in general, are on track to evolve. Bitcoin is the evolution of money and how we transfer value. Its habitat is on the internet. Therefore, it is the perfect money for the internet era, the era of the digital revolution. You do not need to understand how Bitcoin works if you want to use it, as you do not have to understand your phone's technology to make a phone call. But suppose you want to know how Bitcoin is working under the hood and understand Bitcoin's technology. In that case, the following series of episodes about Bitcoin technology is for you, even if you have no background in computer science. Our fictional 3D world of Bitcoin does not correspond to reality at all. However, it helps us to make it possible to demonstrate the software action slowly and clearly. The best way to explain something is to look at an example. Therefore, Jane will transfer Satoshis to Tom, who never got Bitcoin or Satoshis. We will follow all processes in our fictional 3D Bitcoin world and explain all relevant parts of the Bitcoin software on our way until Tom receives Jane's payment. Come with me on a journey into the fabulous world of Bitcoin software code, where the algorithms are the superstars. In the hope that you will join us for the next episode of the Bitcoin Tech Tales, we will end now. See you.